Hey everyone, this is Adam from Food and Fitness Always. Today we're doing 5 super simple abdominal and core exercises that you can do at home. I've got this basic yoga mat, but you can just use the carpet, rug or wooden floor. These exercises will make your core stronger and help define your abs. We're going to do 1 exercise per minute with a very quick stretch after each, and then we'll jump straight into the next one. If you need a slightly longer rest, that's fine. Just pause the video and go at your own pace. So we're going to start with a basic plank, just to activate your core muscles, and then go into leg raises, followed by crunches, Russian twists, and to finish with bicycles. So let's get started.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got moonlight on your naked skin. Summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go? Stars align onto your face. Pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So that's it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more exercise videos. I also post new recipes as well as tips in the kitchen that'll help you stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you want to keep going and do more exercises, watch the suggested video on screen now. Thanks for watching.